citations is always to give credit to the the source from wherever you're picking up this literature from, and for which you need to probably have an Excel sheet like this, which we have already discussed. All that I have added is this column which says what is the source. Is it a book? Is it a newspaper article? Is it a website? It could be many more. I've just taken 3 examples here. Now, when I insert my citations, I am assuming that you must have kept a placeholder like this. Like 1 refers to the book, this one. Even if I had another book, maybe it had got a number 4, then I would have written a number 4. Yeah, so that will just help you to later remember, because when you're doing a literature review, that's much earlier and probably you'll do the citations much later. So 3 corresponds to the website here in this particular case. Okay. So now let's quickly have a look as to how to create that automated citations. It is very simple. Now this is referring to my first one, which is a book. So what I do is now I no more need this. I just delete it and I go to my references tab, the same place. Remember you did your table of contents. So you go to insert citation in references tab, insert citations. I say add new source, and there a window pops up where I can select. So my first selection, my first citation is a book. Hence I select the book. Okay. I go back to my Excel sheet. Name of the book is here. That's a title. The author is here. I put the name of the author. The year in which it was published is 2003. If you have a city mention, you may mention that. If you don't have it, it doesn't matter. The publisher is important. So I put the details. So it's simply copying and pasting the details in this window which gets populated, and I just say OK. So you see something like this has appeared. Of course, I don't want this in any yellow highlights. Okay, no highlights there, but there it has appeared, and of course it has to be in Times New Roman, and of course it has to be in 12. Okay, so there you go. There's the automated citation. Now if you notice, this is also 1. So I'll remove this. I'll remove this 1. Don't forget, don't by mistake delete the full stop. The full stop needs to be there. I go to references. It's the same one. Okay, what I just did. So go to references tab, insert citations. Now I don't need to do this whole step again. All that I need to do is click on this. There you go. Now this yellow thing is appearing because we had placed that placeholder which had that yellow marking. It is not a big deal to just change it to 12 and Times New Roman. So automatically this has got created. Do we have any more ones? Yes, we do. So similarly, I do the same. I go to references tab. I say insert citation and I click the same one. And of course, change the formatting, remove this, make it to 12. Okay. Now I have got the other numbers, so let's quickly do it for the next number, which is 2. I go to my Excel sheet, which is my newspaper article, and same step, go to references tab, insert citation, now add a new source. Okay, so it's my newspaper article, hence I quickly see what option do I have. I have got article in a periodical maybe. Okay, so and the name of that article or the title is here. Okay, whatever you have. Okay, not necessary everything that they need maybe is there with you, but whatever maximum that you have you can put in. Yeah, so here you have got the day, which is the 2nd of July. So second month is July, the year is 2010. Okay, and if you know the page numbers, if you exactly know the page number, I could just say 4. And of course, periodical, the title, here you may not have a publication, but it may be the periodical title or the newspaper title. Okay, so there you go. So I say, and here it's appeared. So this was my 2. I'll do the formatting later. Do we have any more 2s here? No, we don't. But we have 2 3s. I can see that up front. So we'll quickly do that. Okay, go to 3. And what is my 3? Is a website. So I remove this off. Again, I remind you, don't remove the full stop. It is an important part of a citation. So sorry, I click on references. I say insert citation, add a new source, and I know it's a website, hence I scroll down, and there, that's my website. So that's my web page, the author, the name of the website, the year is 2013, and it is 20th of Feb. So I'll probably put the whole one rather than February. And of course here the additional information is your website link. Okay, so yeah, there you go. Now same step, I do this, I reduce the font to 12, and of course I insert the citation here again. I just go to references tab, insert, which one is this? It is the Johnson Marianne, right? So click on this, I make it to 12, I remove the color. Okay, so that's how you insert your citation, right? So if I see any of this, if it is okay, I just say ignore all. Okay, yeah. So all that I have done is I have inserted the citation, but it is important, once I insert the citation, I have something called as bibliography. Again, it has to be automatically created, which will be soon after my recommendation. I just pressed a Control Enter so that it goes to the new page. And I have done I can't create a bibliography without inserting the citations. The moment I've done my citation inserting, again I go to the same reference tab. You see this bibliography and you simply click on the first one. The moment I do that, automatically all that I just all that I just added has come, and it exactly works like a table of contents, in terms of updating. It allows you to update it multiple number of times. Okay, so if at all I add any more citations in future, all that I need to do is any new citation. If I add the same one, no problem. I simply say update citation and it gets updated. There is nothing to update now, hence it's just the same. Now, of course, I will, a bibliography is a chapter heading, hence I remove this from here. And now what I need to do is I go here, I say a Control Enter, I write the word bibliography, and of course I just press delete, so everything comes there. And because this is a chapter heading, because my index doesn't have bibliography yet, so I need to add bibliography there, which means the simplest job that I need to do is just give a heading 1. It's already heading 1. So anyway, if it is not, I give a heading 1, change it to black, change it to bold, change it to uppercase, and of course make it to Times New Roman, and it has to come in the center, and of course the numbering. Now this is ideally my chapter number 6, because this is 5. Okay, so it's not getting the right numbering, so I just go, I know what to do in that case. I just say set numbering value and increase it to 6. There you go. Once my entire, like your table of contents, Once my entire bibliography is ready, I will select this, and remember my entire document needs to be in Times New Roman and the main content is always in 12. So there you go. You don't have to memorize that APA format, which ideally researchers have to do. But in your case, since you know how to do it in automated format in the Word, it will create for you. You don't have to worry about the format at all. Okay. So thank you.